А what is free?
Yes, this is takoyaki.
Where is this restaurant?
Sorry.
What name of restaurant?
Ramen Tanaka. This,
Ramen, where inside?
yes, it's
Can you show to me? I will take video.
show.
Yeah, show me this restaurant.
Show me.
So this one is for free. Anyone can.
This is
Okay, show to me restaurant. Okay.
たこ焼き、たこ焼き。はい、ごぜ。
Oh, it's good. Okay, try and say how good.
Very good. It's good, sir.
Oh, you try.
Okay.
Okay, good. So I will.
Yummy.
Ramen Tanaka.
I remember before you work in Win.
Yes, we're
But why move here?
because the rent here is very expensive.
Rent high. Near Walking Street, very high.
Yes, in front.
How much rent? How much?
There,
Yes, yeah, here.
here is very cheap, 10,000.
10,000. Another how much?
35.
Oh, of course.
difference.
Big difference. Better here and stand outside and invite people. Yeah, it's better.
Yes.
Okay, I will come back next time. Okay?
Okay, sir, next time you try.
I will show to my YouTube
Okay, sir,
channel.
thank you.
Thank you. So guys, you already know. Because rent so expensive near Walking Street, near the road, in the main road. That's why they move. Of course, 35 and 10. Big difference. Massage?
Yeah, here.
Oh, sorry, massage I don't want.
Massage. Okay.
Thank you.